Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Settings. Now scroll down and click on Notifications section. Then you need to scroll down again. Over here, click on an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from. I will go with Call of Duty. Then click on this green sweater next to Allow Notifications. And as you can see, after that, all notifications from this app are disabled. If you want to enable them, just click on the same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!